With the recent conclusion of the U.S. elections signaling the start of a new 4-year bull cycle, there is a palpable sense of excitement, particularly among the Shiba Inu community. Ultimately, significant updates from Satoshi Kusama, together with high price forecasts by experts, make the situation more appealing. However, one should not exhibit excessive enthusiasm. The majority of you will not succeed. It is quite probable that you lack sufficient resources. Insufficient Shiba Inu to capitalize on current bull market. What is the precise quantity required? A comprehensive examination of Shiba Inu was unveiled today, providing extensive insights. What is the numerical value? What is the necessary amount for attaining wealth? Let us ascertain the outcome. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Recently, there has been an astonishing increase in whale activity, with net flows escalating by an extraordinary 7,400%. As reported by Into the Block, the rise in net flows for substantial holders indicates that major investors are accumulating Shiba Inu assets at an unprecedented rate. This substantial increase indicates that these known as whales are making major purchases. This frequently serves as a robust indicator of confidence in the coin's future. Contemplate that figure, 7,400%. The rise is not only minor, it is almost unprecedented. Such numbers are not commonplace, and for investors, they may signify a favorable opportunity. They see this and begin to contemplate that a significant event may be imminent. This behavior prompts speculation about whether the whales possess knowledge beyond our understanding, or whether they are only wagering on an impending surge. In addition to the enthusiasm, Lucy, a Shiba Inu team member, participated in the community celebration. Recently, she commented on X, stating that history will recur. Initially, they disregard you. Subsequently, they mock you. Subsequently, they engage in combat with you. Consequently, you prevail. Her statements profoundly connect with Shiba Inu advocates. She seemed to be reminding everyone of the adventure they have undertaken. How people previously disregarded Shiba Inu. Perhaps even ridiculed it. However, it has now acquired sufficient momentum for major stakeholders to regard it with seriousness. Lucy's article serves as a clarion call, commemorating the community's progress while suggesting further aspirations. Shiba Inu holders are urged to persevere, maintain patience, and have faith that significant victories may yet lie ahead. This only represents the surface of a larger issue. In a significant demonstration of interest for cryptocurrency, U.S. funds had an unprecedented net influx of $1.38 billion in one day as Bitcoin reached fresh all-time highs. BlackRock's fund spearheaded the initiative, securing $1.12 billion independently. This transcends mere hype. This increase indicates a growing desire among conventional investors seeking regulated access to Bitcoin. Prominent firms such as BlackRock are increasingly providing structured and compliant investment options, therefore facilitating ordinary investors' access to digital assets. The retail sector of the industry is essential for promoting cryptocurrency adoption. The participation of private investors increases trade volume, interest, and visibility in the market. Envision the inauguration of a new dining establishment in the neighborhood. If only large corporations are engaged, it may not generate significant local interest. However, as ordinary people begin to frequent and discuss the location, it gains notoriety, prompting others to explore it as well. The same applies to cryptocurrency. The increased participation of regular investors contributes to its widespread acceptance. Currently, retail investors assume a particularly significant role. As institutions facilitate secure and safe cryptocurrency investments, the potential for more participation expands. The present enthusiasm around Bitcoin, along with the accessibility offered by funds such as BlackRock's, is driving consumers' interest and demonstrating the significant progress of cryptocurrency since its inception. However, today marked a significant transformation. Shiba Inu saw a significant decline in the amount of on-chain transactions within a single day. Significant transactions decreased markedly from $6.3 trillion to $2.5 trillion in Shiba Inu. This indicates that the whale activity, the major investors previously driving up Shiba Inu's price, has abruptly diminished. When whales retract in this manner, it may indicate that the principal investors propelling Shiba Inu's valuation are potentially losing interest or backing. This transition is perceived by the people as a seismic disturbance. Yesterday, there was much enthusiasm around whales acquiring another Shiba Inu. Currently, the narrative has reversed. Investors who previously experienced success are now seeing a surge of anxiety. When a sudden and significant shift occurs overnight, it prompts many to doubt the permanence of the rally. This raises concerns that Shiba Inu may diminish its momentum. The abrupt decline in significant investor engagement seems to be a substantial development, making the community apprehensive about future prospects. However, there is a matter of significant importance. This kind of decline may seem concerning, although it is a typical aspect of market dynamics. Major investors, or whales, often enter and exit the market, modifying their holdings according to their strategy and the inherent fluctuations of the market. The current decline in whale activity does not imply that Shiba Inu is in danger or that adverse developments are imminent. It is customary for major investors to realize profits or adopt a passive stance after a significant surge, anticipating the next chance. This phenomenon occurs across several markets, not alone in cryptocurrency. A deceleration does not signify the conclusion of the journey. It often signifies a tranquil interval before another action. Indeed, these pauses may be beneficial, allowing the market to recalibrate and establish a more robust base. Although it is normal to experience some anxiety, these changes do not signify a decline in interest in Shiba Inu. However, there is a significant topic that has garnered much discussion nowadays. Shiba Inu has surged by 10%, reaching a multi-month peak and approaching the significant 0.00003 price threshold. Nevertheless, as it ascends, a significant impediment obstructs its path. Data from Into the Block indicates that about 11.5 trillion Shiba Inu coins are held in 15,800 wallets. All acquisitions made between the present price and these 4 zeros as well. These holders are now incurring losses, resulting in significant selling pressure. This selling pressure amounts to around $215 million, over one-third of Shiba Inu's current spot market trading volume. For Shiba Inu to surpass this threshold, the market must accommodate the substantial volume from sellers. Should that occur and the purchasing trend remains robust, there exists the possibility for Shiba Inu to ultimately surpass previous highs. Currently, Shiba Inu confronts one of its most challenging trials in an extended period. This revelation is naturally inciting discussions within the Shiba Inu community. Investors and dealers are closely monitoring if Shiba Inu can endure the selling pressure or whether it may retract. For holders, it is a tense time. The progression of this issue will provide clarity on Shiba Inu's capacity to maintain its bullish momentum or whether it is poised for a hiatus. Consequently, there is much attention focused on this issue at now. This might be a pivotal time. Despite the market's apparent unease, several experts are presenting a novel and positive viewpoint. Sustained Research, a prominent financial research organization, is analyzing Shiba Inu's performance relative to Dogecoin and positing that it may be poised for a significant resurgence. They consider Shiba Inu's recent price movements versus both the dollar and Dogecoin to be quite encouraging, and predict it may surpass Dogecoin in profitability during the next year. Their data indicates that Shiba Inu has repeatedly established robust support at critical price levels relative to Dogecoin throughout time. Whenever it reaches these levels, purchasers have intervened, averting more drops. This has occurred several times before, when the price rallied from this support level, resulting in significant gains. This pattern is now recurring, prompting experts to speculate that Shiba Inu may soon see an upward rebound, targeting a level roughly twice its present price. Shiba Inu has maintained a consistent support range against the dollar. Since the beginning of this year, it has shown resiliency despite a decline from previous highs. Sistine Research sees this as a robust basis for a prospective increase, perhaps to levels that would signify a substantial gain from its current position. They contend that if Shiba Inu adheres to this support and resistance framework, it may ascend to a peak that would treble the profits seen earlier this year. This perspective is instilling optimism among the community, particularly given Shiba Inu's historical tendency to recover robustly from such circumstances. Given the robust support levels and a prospective upward trend, experts propose that Shiba Inu may be poised for a significant rally. Currently, several individuals are observing intently, since this may signify the start of a promising moment for Shiba Inu traders. In discussing Shiba Inu's trip, here is an intriguing observation. CryptoBasic recently examined the current value of a modest investment in Shiba Inu made in 2020 with astonishing results. An initial investment of $10 in Shiba Inu at its inception would today be valued at over $126,000. Investing an additional amount, such as $100, would have appreciated to exceed $1 million. An investment of $1,000 at that time would currently provide a return exceeding $12 million. This illustrates the remarkable progress of Shiba Inu as a prominent asset in the cryptocurrency market, surpassing virtually all other top 100 coins since its inception. Narratives such as these inherently generate enthusiasm for the future. Although there is no assurance of comparable returns, this historical context instills optimism, particularly in light of current events rekindling interest. What is your perspective on that? We invite you to share your opinions in the comments section. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.